Hey everyone, I'm NMcDonough, and you've landed at the first episode of NMcDonough Consulting's AI Bootcamp. I've designed these 8 sessions for busy people. No jargon or technical knowledge required, just curiosity and the desire to work smarter. Today, we kick it all off with the essentials: AI foundations and why this topic really, truly matters. By the end of our time together today, you'll understand exactly what we mean by AI in plain English. You'll recognize you're probably using AI in your daily life and get a handle on why it's not just for massive companies. You'll walk away with the confidence to talk AI in the break room or the boardroom and a clear sense of where you stand on this whole curve of adoption. Let's get into it. So, how big is this thing really? This isn't just a trend. The global AI market hit nearly $400 billion in 2025. It's rocketing towards 1.8 trillion by the end of the decade. 78% of organizations are already using AI in at least one business function, and ChatGPT now has over 700 million weekly users. AI's annual growth rate is a jaw dropping 36%. The message: this is no longer optional, it's mainstream, and it's not slowing down. You interact with artificial intelligence multiple times a day, maybe without even realizing it. Unlocking your phone with your face? AI. Your Netflix recommendations? AI. Email spam filters, language translation, smart scheduling? That's all AI. It's shaping your habits, guiding choices, and making tedious tasks a bit easier behind the scenes. You're already in the AI game, now it's about getting deliberate with it. Let's cut through the hype. At its core, artificial intelligence is technology that can do things we thought only humans could, like learn, make decisions, recognize patterns, and understand language. Instead of just following rules like a basic calculator, AI uses data and experience to get smarter and improve over time. If you take away one thing here, it's that AI is software that genuinely learns and adapts. What makes AI different from us? Well, AI never gets tired, can scan and analyze mountains of data in seconds, and remembers every single detail. Humans are unbeatable, though, when it comes to thinking creatively, reading the room, and handling new, ambiguous situations. The best results? That's when we use AI as an enhancer, not a replacement. It's the ultimate productivity partnership. Depending on who you ask, you'll get a different definition of AI. Academics call it the science of making intelligent machines. Regulators see it through compliance and risk. Businesses see it as the force multiplier for innovation and efficiency. But for most people, it's smart software that just works and makes life easier. Every lens is helpful depending on your role. Here's a crucial distinction: almost all the AI you'll encounter today is narrow AI, ultra specialized, handling specific tasks like recognizing faces or organizing information. General AI, the Hollywood robot that understands everything and can do anything, still remains a far off dream, although agentic AI is pushing this boundary every day. For now, people should focus on using narrow AI to solve real, immediate business problems. That's where the money is. A quick history lesson, because it puts our present moment in context. AI's story starts in 1950, when Alan Turing asked if machines could think. The field took off in 1956 with the official coining of the term artificial intelligence. AI really gained momentum in the 90s, with computers beating world chess champions, and exploded into pop culture when IBM's Watson won Jeopardy in 2011. The largest breakthrough has to be Google's Attention is All You Need paper in 2017, which proposed the transformer architecture. This was the revelation needed to power large language models like ChatGPT to be released for public use. Now we're in the world of multimodal AI and the early stages of agentic capabilities. The craziest thing is that AI development is only getting better. Why should you care? Early adopters of AI consistently outpace slower movers. More efficiency, better service, fewer repetitive mistakes, and cost savings from automating boring tasks. This means happier customers, better insights, and fewer wasted resources. If you ignore AI, you risk falling behind those who are already leveraging its strengths. Let's break it up. A fast quiz. Which of these statements is false about how AI impacts daily life? Is it A, AI powers music recommendations on Spotify? B, AI can help filter out spam emails? C, AI can only be found in advanced research labs? Or D, AI personalizes online shopping suggestions? If you picked C, you're right. AI is as close as your smartphone, not an obscure toy for scientists anymore. There's a real price for waiting to use AI. Competitors leveraging AI can move faster, offer better pricing, and serve your customers more smoothly. Top talent wants environments that feel modern and efficient. Rigidity and old school manual processes cost you money, sometimes enough to make or break a business over just a year or two. Don't think, can I afford this? Think, can I afford to fall behind? Let's get practical. Real businesses just like yours have used AI to drive up sales, cut creative time, or slash paperwork. A restaurant upped online orders by 35% just by using an AI chatbot. A marketing agency cut their content creation time by 60%. An accounting firm saved 20 work hours per week on document sorting. These aren't unicorns, they're small, mid sized businesses using the tools that are out there right now. Business AI fits in three big buckets. Predictive, this is forecasting or figuring out what comes next. Generative, this is where you create content. And automation, handling repetitive workflows or scheduling or even chatbots. The best strategies blend all three. You can leverage prediction to spot trends, creation to scale content, and automation to save time. Let's bust some myths. No, AI won't replace all jobs. It actually offloads the repetitive stuff so humans can focus on big ideas. It isn't just for billion-dollar tech firms. Many of the tools cost less than your monthly coffee. And no, you don't need to be technical. The best new AI products are designed for everyone, not just programmers. Additionally, AI isn't perfect. You need to review and double check it, just like a coworker. Please emphasize the importance of keeping a human in the loop. All right, time for question number 2. Picture this, your business starts using AI to manage inventory. Which benefit do you think you'll see first? Is it A, more creative marketing campaigns? B, fewer out of stock situations and reduced waste? C, improved customer emotional intelligence? Or D, approval from regulatory agencies? If you said B, you're thinking like a real operator. AI in inventory slashes waste and boosts efficiency almost immediately. So, where's everyone else? Well, on the AI adoption curve, about 15% of companies are already AI early adopters with measurable ROI. Another 35% are rolling out solutions, and the remainder are just planning to start soon. Only a small group is waiting it out. But as AI becomes standard, waiting will be harder and harder to justify. Are you wondering if AI is really for you and your business? Well, every sector is finding wins. Professional services automate document review, retailers personalize offers and keep shelves stocked, healthcare uses AI for faster diagnostics, and manufacturers are monitoring equipment in real time. Don't be the only business in your space still doing it the old way. Time for quiz number 3. What's the very best reason for a business leader to champion AI? Is it A, to use trendy technology? Is it B, to increase operational efficiency and create a competitive advantage? Is it C, to reduce the number of employees? Or D, to eliminate the need for any strategy? B is the real answer here. AI is a lever for efficiency and staying ahead, not just a flashy add on. New things are frightening, and AI is no exception. Will AI take jobs? Likely, but it opens up new ones too, especially for creators, analysts, and builders. Is it too complex? Well, the best solutions are plug and play, without any engineers required. What about data privacy? Well, any reputable AI vendor makes security a priority. And finally, is AI too expensive? Most organizations actually see payback in months, not years. So let's get to the big question. What's the return on investment, or ROI? Well, businesses that go all in with AI see as much as 40% productivity boosts They save on average 25% on costs and tend to bump up their revenue by as much as 15%. This means better customer service, more engaged staff, and more time to focus on growth. AI is truly an investment with a measurable payback. So, if you remember only a handful of things today, please remember the following. AI is now part of your day to day, whether you like it or not. It's being used by 78% of organizations, and there are three main categories to pay attention to. This is that predictive, generative, and automation based AI. Remember, there's so many user friendly tools, which means you don't need to be a coder to leverage the benefits of AI. AI empowers humans, doesn't replace them. And every business field has opportunities to jump in. So you've got to look in the mirror and ask, why not mine? But what's the real lesson for episode 1? If you're watching, you're already ahead of the curve. The difference between businesses that grow and those that get left behind isn't resources. It's curiosity, confidence, and the willingness to adapt before you're forced to. In our next session, we're going to dive into machine learning made simple, which covers how AI actually learns. Thanks so much for tuning in to episode 1 of NMcDonough Consulting's AI Bootcamp. I'm so fired up to share this series with y'all. I'll see you in session 2. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at noah@nmcdonoughconsulting.com. Let's build an AI-powered future together.